Welcome viewers. The Department of Justice squared off in a Florida court Thursday against an unlikely set of opponents. On the one hand, a collection of some of the most influential mainstream media outlets on the other, the conservative activist group Judicial Watch. But before we proceed, if you are new to my channel, please take a minute of your precious time to hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell to get the latest updates from us. This unlikely coupling united to argue for the release of the affidavits supporting the search warrant executed last week at Mar-a-Lago, former President Donald Trump's Florida home. The Justice Department argued that the case our investigation is still in its early stages and too precarious to allow the release of such a sensitive document. While both Judicial Watch and the media had the same goal in mind, getting the receipts that convinced a federal magistrate to sign off on the warrant, it's worth noting the divergent motives behind their arguments. The main case made by the media companies who have filed to have the warrant records released is that the public has a right to know the reasoning behind a former president's property being searched, and as the New York Times acknowledged in its original August filing, while the unsealing of documents normally comes at the end of an investigation, this is not a normal case. The investigation has been made public by the target of the warrant himself. Details of the investigation have appeared in publications throughout the world. Members of Congress have demanded that the Justice Department provide an explanation, and political commentary on the search continues unabated. The Times argued, in short, with so much publicity surrounding the search, the court should be skeptical about government claims that disclosure of this true information will invade privacy, disturb the confidentiality of an investigation, tip off potential witnesses, or lead to the destruction of evidence. The Justice Department's lawyers countered that inking in an omnibus response to the various motions to unseal by basically saying no, the affidavit release will definitely mess up this investigation. The affidavit would divulge highly sensitive information about witnesses, including witnesses interviewed by the government and specific investigative techniques. Their Monday filing asserted, if disclosed, the affidavit would serve as a roadmap to the government's ongoing investigation, providing specific details about its direction and likely course, in a manner that is highly likely to compromise future investigative steps. What is your take on this matter? Please tell us in the comments and remember to subscribe as well. Thanks for watching.